Hello viewers, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice dog in a freehand sketch. So sometimes if we make mistakes, then we have to do the erase, otherwise everything seems fine, and we'll proceed to the drawings to the next steps. So the drawing is consisting of lots of stages. So sometimes we make mistakes, sometimes we can draw without mistakes. So let's see however the dogs we're trying. So for any types of drawing, best use for learners is using the pencil, because if you need to do correct anything about your drawing, you can do very easily with the pencils. Otherwise, in other mediums like the sketch with the pen, or use of a the drawing or painting tools, those are quite hard to erase or make the corrections, but pencil is very easy. So what I'm trying to do here, just trying to draw the face of a dog, and it has a large tongue coming out of its mouth. Usually sometimes you can see the tongue is already out of the face through the mouth from the dog. Okay, so okay, all right. And if it's a domestic dog, then sometimes we do attach the belt for identifications. Usually in Western countries, you can see the people love it very much. They care about it. They also do so many wonderful memories with these animals. So most of the families have the dogs, and they are just fine with lots of love and affection. Okay, so if we want to show this dog just like it's sitting in the air, then we have to put it in a sitting position. So this is usually the body figure. Now I am doing the front part. So usually these types of dogs, what I am drawing right now, it has a smaller legs. Sometimes you can call it the puppy. So people can carry it in the basket. Sometimes you can see in many movies or in shopping areas. Okay, so usually it's about the observations. So how does the dog looks good, and if you do the smaller details, then it's going to be very good looking. Awesome. So the drawing is just progressing very nicely. Okay, and here and another you can see the legs on the left side, and I'm drawing it right now. It has a paw, very nice paw. Okay, so a little bit correction we need to adjust in the back. Okay, just make it a little bit round in shape. Okay, usually round shape you can see here, and a tail just coming up from its back. Okay, so you can see when I do the first drawing of the pencil, just making the very lighter stroke, then I'm going to draw the you can see the harder stroke here. So the outline of the dog is already done. Now I am going to do the details. So just putting the the harder strokes here. Okay, so solid strokes, and usually sometimes it's a furry animal, so lots of furs in its body. Okay, all right. So the mouth, it looks good, and you can see the ears has a lots of furs here. Okay, hairy, very hairy, but the dog looks very happy. From its eyes you can tell that it looks very happy, very happy. The belt, it has a darker color, so we're just putting the darker shades within its belt here. Okay, and putting the large and the deep dark border. Okay, and you can see the dog's tongue here. Okay, so some other shades we are going to provide it later, but let's put the front part with a black color. So with the same color of the pencil, I'm just putting the black color here. You can fill it up with a single strokes. This video is totally unedited, so that you can easily understand which steps we are going to follow and how much time it can take usually. Okay, so putting the the shades on its body. Okay, so in some places you can see the shades are going to be the darker, and in some places you can see it has a lighter strokes. It's because the light doesn't fall same way in all the parts of the body. That's why you can do the shades variations, and usually the furry animals, so you have to put the color less or more in all over the area. Okay, all right, so the drawing is almost complete. Now going for the the ears. Okay. So this is the land on which it's sitting. Just putting some pencil works here for the lands. Okay, so you can do the incline the pencil to do like the sketch effects. Okay. Almost done, and I'm just drawing the tail portion. Okay, and other parts I'm just putting regular strokes. Okay, all right, so for the tongue we're going to use a little bit red color, so it has a little bit red effect here. Okay, so very nice appearance. So you have seen that it doesn't take much time. Within 7 minutes we have just completed the drawing, and if I just put it in your camera, you can see that very clearly. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Do practice at home and stay with us. See you in our next videos. Thank you so much. Have a good day.